Okay, today we're installing the shower caddy. It's 3 pieces, the black tray, the white bracket, and then the self-adhesive strip here. You simply peel off the backing and apply it to the shower wall. It has a really strong adhesive. You buy these just about anywhere. You can see it can drain, so if water gets in it, it'll drain. Pretty simple, but here's what it looks like. This one's about 12 inches by 4 inches deep. The thing is that black basket can be removed if you did need to clean it out. You can see how that mounts, just slides in. So identify the spot on the wall in the shower where you want the shower caddy to mount. I want it about here. And then you need to make sure the wall is perfectly clean and dry where you're going to install it. I'm using a little bit of rubbing alcohol just to make sure there's no residue or moisture. Completely clean and dry. And I'm going to go ahead and remove the backing from the self-adhesive strip, like so. And then you want to make sure you install it nice and level. You simply press it against the shower wall where you want it. Instructions say to wait 24 hours before you put any weight on that adhesive mounting strip. Once I get this where I want it, I'm going to remove the basket. Now I'm just going to take a clean rag and press firmly all the way around that adhesive strip to make sure it's fully secured to the wall. Nice thing about this, there's no drilling holes in the wall, no metal parts that can rust or corrode over time. Pretty DIY friendly. Woo! I want to say I bought this on eBay or Amazon for like 10 or 12 bucks. It wasn't too bad. Now that's secure, we're going to wait 24 hours. Okay, it's been 24 hours. Now we can go ahead and safely install this white plastic bracket. Those little mounting tabs, it just slides down like so. And then you simply place the basket in that white bracket and you're done. Now you can go ahead and put your shower items in the little shower caddy. I hope this video helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.